Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today is ketchup day. Not the red stuff you put on French fries, although I never use ketchup, but not that. What it is on the 25th of each month, we release items that you might have seen before, or you might have missed out on, or now we're re-releasing it, or something like that. So we call it Ketchup Day, meaning we need to catch up. For example, all of my Die Hard Club members got this die free, but because I actually messed up. But now we're offering it to everyone. And what am I talking about? It is the Hey Bunny Hey Bunny die set with two little butterflies. I gave it out free to our Die Hard Club members a few months back, but some people missed out on it, so I wanted to be able to offer it to you. And isn't it adorable? I absolutely love it. Look how cute it is. Hey Bunny. So fun. Here's another cute one. Goes perfect with our garden bunny to stamp. I love it. So go check that out. Now, another thing we're releasing, those of you that got the pineapple collection and wanted more paper from that, now is your chance. So this kit, if it's not sold out, it's like oh so close. Last time I checked, I think we had 8 left. So it's probably sold out by now. But now you can at least get some more of the paper, which it has all of my favorite designs on it. Especially that swirl. I love that swirl. Also being released is the birthday celebration cats. I know a lot of you got this kit. A lot of you were in the magazine class that I taught. Now you have a chance to die cut more of those guys. Now, this is limited, as is the pineapple. Once these are gone, they are gone forever. So get as many as you want. You're allowed to stock up. It's not there's no limit. So if you wanted to buy 10, you could buy 10 if you wanted to. But just know, once these are gone, they're gone for good. Now, another item we are releasing with a little twist, because we're releasing the fancy frame flip it die that I released originally with the other company. Gosh, it feels like 100 years ago now. And it's an awesome, awesome die set. We originally also had a stamp set that matched, so we're re-releasing both of these items. But here's where the twist is. If you already have this die set, dun, 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 brand new. Wait, did I say that? Yes, this is brand new. You do not have this die set that has the word hello, dream, pray, and other layering dies to go with the stamps and this card base. Now, let's jump in and look at some samples, because some of you might be new to this one, but look at that. Look at the word hello. That's in the new version. That's in the new add-on. So if you have this card base, you're going to want that add-on. You might want the stamp set too if you don't have it, but you're definitely going to want that add-on die set, because you know what? It takes this card base to the next level. It really does. Here's a cute one. Hello, my friend. Love it. Here's a cute one with our woodland animals. Love it. Here's the stamp on the back. See the stamp? That's one of the stamps in there. Ooh, look at this one. You don't even have to use the fold it club. I'm sorry, the flip it. You can just do it separately, thinking of you. Now, the cool thing about the stamp set is you might see 4 stamps if you're looking at this on video. That's not 4 stamps. That's 8. That's 8 stamps. The words are separate. So you could do this frame with that word. You could do this frame with those words. You get to mix and match. You don't even have to use any of the words if you don't want to. Lots of options and lots of choices. That's what I always like to do. Here's an example. No words in the middle of that one. And you can stamp it in a different color. Here's that hello again. You guys, I love that hello. That hello is so fun. I love that. Here's a cute one with the watermelon. I love it. Picnic to stamp is added on this one with those cute little ants. Here's a cute one. Hello. Love it. And last but not least, miss you. Here we go. Sending you a paper hug. Open it up. The road to a friend's house is never long. Look how cute that is. That was one of our sticker sets we had a long time ago. But look at how cute that is. Club members, you know the deal. 15 to 20% off my entire website every single day as long as you're a club member. Log in, boom, you get that discount. If you're not in the club, you pay regular price. Our regular prices are really, really good. But, you know, who doesn't want to go to a website and have it be a sale every single day? 15 to 20% off. That's a sale every single day. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. We have a club for everybody, pretty much. I can almost guarantee it. Yeah, go check it out. Stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.